Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to see who you're following on X. So that's actually pretty simple. You have to open X and go to your profile. To do that, you need to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen, and now in the side menu, select Profile section. Now under your bio, you have to tap on Following Count, and please make sure that you're at the section Following at the top. So this is the page where you will see every single user that you follow on X. And additionally, you may need to scroll down to see all of your followings. So that's basically how you can see who you're following on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.